over your head,
將救生衣放喺頸部，
loop the strap around your waist,
將腰帶圍住腰，
and fasten the buckle.
並扣好，
Then pull the strap firmly to tighten.
又索緊腰帶。
To inflate, simply pull the rectangle down firmly or blow into the tube.
充氣時只需要用力拉下紅色手掣，或者用充氣罐吹氣。
It also has a whistle and a light.
救生衣上面附有哨子同燈。
If needed, our crew will provide life jackets for children and inflatable cots for babies.
如果有需要，我哋嘅機艙服務員會提供兒童救生衣或嬰兒浮床。
And remember, only inflate your life jacket when leaving the aircraft.
請記住，當離開機艙嘅時候，先至將救生衣充氣。
If there's an emergency, or you hear the phrase, brace, brace, adopt the position shown in your safety card.
如果遇到緊急情況，或者聽見 brace brace， 請根據安全指示卡做出保護自己嘅姿勢。
In case of emergency, escape card lighting switches on automatically to guide you to the exit.
緊急情況下。